America crew, America ship owner. We have this problem of the petrol. Yes, now ship owners are starting to think, how much does it cost to bring an Asian to America or an American to Asia? Well, are there planes available? Are there economy tickets? The prices have gone times 4, 5, but that's not the issue. So why not investing ESG, corporate social responsible, goodwill, talent retention, so we can make America stronger again by employing American local crew. There is many new energy projects going on. Colombia, now Venezuela. So why not invest? Peru, Ecuador, Panama, Venezuela, Cuba, Salvador, Guatemala, Brazil, Argentina, Chile. 40,000 officers are in the numbers, statistics, International Chamber of Shipping 2021 statistics. Now, how many of those would be sailing with certificates available? Let's say 10. How about ratings? Let's say 40. Could we really train those from fishing to merchant? Yeah. Which is the sectors that we could grow? Well, bulk carriers, we could grow these bunker, we could grow tanker, LPG, LNG. Cruise companies already use Panama officers. Why not give more competitive, attractive? Why not think about these flags that endorse them, like American flags? Oh, we already have that solution. Then think the America ship owner or trading America. Think about American crewing, because now this inflation and then this war and then this lack of economy seats and lack of economic travel prices will make ship owners think, why not invest in local crew? Oh, I don't want Cubans because who knows what's going to happen in Cuba? Yeah, but what if the talent is very good in Cuba and the education system is very good and they are excellent for general cargo ships? 100 ships, we could manage officers. Why not? We don't need US visa if it is Europe. Then if it is the Caribbean, do we? Then how about Venezuela? Okay, they don't have English. Okay, thank you very much. Habla español. Yeah, at least you can write what you say. In English is not possible. Then perhaps you can think about adapting the language. It's Spanish in America, isn't it? Well, why don't you adapt? And then perhaps you have a 25% more competitive budget plus zero travel compared to what you have now, dear ship owner. But the most important thing is that we are willing investing in the talent, intrinsic value long term. Think about America pool. 100 years from now, you will have then managing directors, you will have the fleet managers, presidents, chairmen, and the business and the industry will grow. Now, okay, there is a war in Asia. Yeah, okay, why don't we focus in America? Do it, yeah, do it now. Because the one that hits first with 100 containers, for example, imagine the summer is here and the plane's seats are empty already south of Spain. We have to use BlaBlaCar for crew reliefs. Yeah, because there's no planes available, there's no trains available because this disaster of the government trains, and so then there's no bus available, and now there's this transport war. This is the war of petrol, yeah, and the inflation. Well, think about America, think about the local crew, and think now, because the one that really hits faster, 100 containers, 100 bulk carriers, 100 bunkers, 100 LNGs, that's 400. Yeah, we can manage that. Thank you, bye.